Hey guys, this is Divyashree, data science intern in LGMVIP. So, in intermediate level task, let's get into the second task in that is we have to do prediction using decision tree algorithm for iris dataset. So, and I have to visualize this graphically. So, let's get into the dataset. So we have like sepal length, sepal width, petal width and species. So now we'll get into the code. Yeah, here I have imported libraries such as Python, libraries such as pandas, numpy, sklearn. Then from sklearn I have that model selection. I have imported train test split for splitting and training the data. Then sklearn.tree I have imported decision tree classifier cause we are doing decision tree algorithm. Then from sklearn I have imported tree. Matplotlib I have imported. Seaborn I have imported. Now I'm reading the iris data. Then the data is displayed over here, which has like 150 rows and 6 columns, and the information of the data. Then the description of the data, that is statistical summary of the data, is displayed over here. Count, mean, standard deviation, minimum 35%, 50%, 75% and maximum. Then I want to know whether the data has any missing values. So data doesn't have any missing values, so it is false everywhere. Then I want to know the sum of the missing values. As there are no missing values in the data, we'll be getting 0 for everything. Sum of the missing values is 0. Now yeah, here I'm displaying the first 10 rows of the data using head of 10. Now the columns is displayed over here. Then I'm renaming the columns for my comfortability, for my convenience. Sepal length into centimeters into sepal length, sepal width centimeters into sepal width, petal length centimeters into petal length, petal width centimeters into petal width, and species as species. Now here I am plotting the scatter plot for the species and petal length. So this is the species here. So yeah, and this is a petal length. I want to know the species individually, like uniquely. I want to know the know how many species are there in the data. So there are 3 species in the data, that is iris setosa, iris vesicolor, iris virginica. I know the value counts, like what are the counts of each and every species. So there are 3 species and each species has like 50-50. So there are 150 counts. This is the histogram of the sepal length. See, these are the number of the uh, species, and this is sepal length. So yeah, I'm doing the correlation for the data here between the columns, and I'm doing a heat map using this data.core. Yeah, this is the heat map that is displayed over here. Then the pair plot I am doing. This is the pair plot of the data. I'm also doing the word cloud for the data. This is the word cloud that is displayed over here. Iris setosa, iris vesicolor, and iris virginica. And yeah, I'm training and splitting the data over here. I took like 20% of the data for test, and remaining 80% for the um, trained, and random state I have to taken like 42. So here the x values has everything except species, and y value is species. The target value is species. Yeah. Now I am creating an instance for decision tree classifier. Then yeah, I'm fitting the classifier. Then here I'm predicting the x test and gave the name as variable name as y predict. Now here I'm plotting the decision tree. That is, see, by using this matplotlib, I'm plotting this. See here is these are all the this is the classification. This is uh, iris setosa, iris vesicolor, iris virginica. Yeah, this is my decision tree algorithm. Thank you.